I'll make you my priority, cause you're one of the minorities.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to Boul Nation. I hope y'all feeling good. Hold on, that's my family. Hold on. Only some background noise. But before we get to the video, every video that I pretty much put out from now throughout the rest of the year, every dollar will be donated for each subscriber and every like we get on these videos. So hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this out so we just get more likes, more subscribers. Because, you know, more subscribers, more likes, more money we can donate to charity. So do that. But today we got a haul. We got an Adidas haul because, shoot, yo, Adidas had a nice little sale. So, you know, I had to, we have some gear. I got some sneakers, and I got one thing that I thought I would never ever get, but it was kind of cheap. I see people, a lot of people wearing it like around nowadays, so I started to get a thing of it. So first, let's see, we got boxes, we got bags. So we got a nice little bag here, and I get my lovely scissors. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I'm gonna say, yeah, like Adidas had like a nice little sale. So I'm like, you know what? Adidas can, I like Adidas. I like the gear. I don't like the pants. Like the pants and the jackets are fire normally. So I'm not getting the gear. So first we have. I'm pretty sure these are the pants actually. How you open this thing? How you open this thing right here? This thing. Okay. But yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the pants. Yep. So here we got a nice little blue, kind of like track pants. I went with blue because like I got a lot of black like pants and joggers, so I was to get blues like a nice little different color, different way to kind of associate things. So that's the first thing. And this is the jacket. Okay. So, ooh, this low key fire actually. So here I got it's a track jacket, like a pinstripe track jacket here. Fire actually, it was very, very fire. I like it's clean. It's kind of like light. Yeah, it's all nice. Hey, I can dig. Unfortunately, I don't know how much wear I'm gonna get out of it soon because here in Maryland, like the temperature went from like 73, like literally like on Saturday, I was wearing shorts. Like on Saturday I got my hair braided. I was wearing shorts to get my hair braided. I was wearing a hoodie and shorts. I was hot. And then shoot, I wake up this morning, it's a freeze warning, and I'm like, how do we go from like me wearing shorts to like me having to bust out the freaking North Face jacket? It's crazy. It's crazy. But so that's the first bag. Second bag, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Yep, this is I'm pretty sure this is a crew neck. Pretty sure this is a crew neck. Yep. So this nice little simple Adidas crew neck. That's kind of funny because I actually have like another one of these, but it's like a red color. I mean, obviously you can't really see it because it's kind of like blocked off in my closet. But yeah, so like right there is like a kind of like a maroon color. So this actually be a nice little addition as well. Like I said, it's fall time. It's mid-November, so it's gonna be getting a little cool. So that's be pretty nice. So that's pretty much the clothing stuff. Everything else is gonna be shoes. So I got one big box and I have two small boxes. So I'm gonna go with the box that came in last, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna get this over real fast. So like for some reason the boxes came in like kind of out of order. So like I got like one box from like Thursday. I got like majority of my stuff Friday, and then this box actually was supposed to be like get like delivered like honestly I think Friday, but it just kept getting like delayed. So here we go. First box done. Obviously, got the iconic Adidas box, blue with the 3 stripes. So like, I'm gonna like fair one. Like, I didn't get anything like too crazy, but I just got like some like simple everyday wear. So first we got, ooh, these are clean. So these are kind of like a Swift Run. So it's kind of like a all white sneaker. Hold on, let me put this box down somewhere. So yep. So it's pretty much a nice all clean white upper. Got gum bottoms right here. So, but yeah, like I really wanted to just kind of get like more like everyday kind of sneakers, like sneakers I could just slide on, like, you know, running errands or just, you know, even like just walk somewhere. Just kind of just have some sneakers I could just throw on. So this is nice. This is actually really clean. I like the nice little upper, like white upper, 3 stripes. It's clean. Obviously gonna be pretty cushiony, so that's good. So first pair of sneakers. Boom. I got the second box here. I gotta see how to open this damn thing. And honestly, y'all want to see me do like more unboxing videos? Like, just let me know. Just let me know in the comments, cause I like doing boxings. You know, I like kind of being surprised like you are. Cause I see like when we order like stuff online, it could look like a little bit different when you unless you get it. So obviously you got another one Adidas box. Also says N plastic waste. Shout out to Earth is My Planet. Ooh, okay, these are solid. All right, so we got a pair of these Ultra Boosts. Oh, okay, I'm stupid. That's an Ultra Boost. NMDs. I'm sorry. That's an Ultra Boost. But yeah, we got a pair of NMDs. Kind of like got like the little like red, white, and blue here. We got a little bag of tags that's the brand with 3 stripes. The brand with 3 stripes. Right there. Obviously got like little NMD. Oops. Good focus, but it says NMD on the front, and then they got like a little the brand with 3 stripes, and I'm pretty sure that's German as well. German and maybe I don't know I'm sorry, I'm not sure what the other languages are, but I'm pretty sure it's English, German. Yeah, I'm not gonna mistake that, but yeah, this is a pretty unique shoe actually. And then obviously inside it shows what it's made out of. It says made with Parley Ocean plastic and plastic waste, the brand with 3 stripes. So honestly, this, like I said, this is another just easy shoe. Like I said, all black upper, little got the white midsole with the boost, and then you kind of got like a little like black and white bottom here. So easy shoe to rock. You know, this is like I said, it's kind of more just like an everyday. Just, you know, throw something on. And so you're maybe doing like some joggers or whatever. Boom, just put those on. How you doing? Keep moving. So that's shoe number 2. So last but not least, we got the big box. Big box. So this is gonna have the last 2 pair of shoes that I got. So honestly, in total, I spent about $300 on everything. But everything was like on sale. Like the NMD was like $50. The Swiss shoe was like $45. I'm pretty sure the jacket might have been like $40. The joggers was like $25, $30, I think. And then the crew was like $25, $30, I think. So yeah. Oh, all right. So we got a interesting box here. We got a big Adidas box here, black box, and okay. So this is the shoe that I thought I never would get, but everybody got them. I got a pair I got a pair. Hey, these look kind of. Hey, these look kind of big too. I got size 11, but these look kind of big. Hold on. No, never mind. But yeah, I finally got a pair of these. I'm like, these was like $15 on Adidas. I'm like, you know what? It's $15. I actually been liking them a little bit. Actually been able to wear a pair, so I like it. So got that. So I'm not sure why they came in a big ass box like that, but it happens. And then I know these are. These are actually a pretty classic shoe that every guy should have. To be honest, that's a pair of Stan Smith all white. A white shoe does not go out of style. It just doesn't. It's clean. It's simple. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. Stan Smiths. I need a pair of I need a pair of white shoes. Like honestly, I have no pair of all white shoes. Like obviously I got the Yeezy 350 Bone, but like these are like legit white sneakers. Like say you dress them up, you can dress them down. So honestly, got images Stan Smiths. This is clean. Like I ain't wanna worry. Like can I just put these up on the walls? Like this having just to have. Like these are yo, this is clean, boy. I also got like the Stan Smith on the tongue there, but these are clean. Yeah, these are essential. Shoot, yo, these like $76. I might get another pair of these. I ain't gonna hold you. These are clean. Oh my god. Like I said, man, it's a clean white shoe. Like I said, never go out of style, fellas. Never go out of style. Never go out of style. But that's going to conclude my haul. So again, if you like the video, get a thumbs up. If you want to see more haul videos or even some more clothing videos, let me know in the description. Well, not description. In the comments below. My bad right down on the camera. So peace.